Hey guys, I'm Evan from EzOrigami, and I just want to make a quick video to thank you all so much for helping me reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I originally started making origami tutorials over 10 years ago, and back then there were only a few channels teaching origami, so a milestone like this never even crossed my mind. But over the years, I think this channel has really come a long way. Thanks to your comments and feedback, I've really been able to improve the style and quality of my videos, and I especially love looking through all of the photos that you send me, showing off the designs that you folded from my tutorials. And this channel honestly wouldn't be what it is today without all of your support, so I really want to thank you for that. So in the spirit of 100,000 subscribers, I decided to put together a small giveaway. So I actually designed some custom EzOrigami t-shirts, which I'll be giving away to 5 lucky winners. I worked with my friends over at Jetty Ink to get these shirts screen printed, and I'm really excited about how they turned out. Each t-shirt features 2 of my original designs, a small easy star on the front, and a big logarithmic spiral on the back. And each t-shirt that I give away will also come with an original origami design folded and signed by me. So at this point you're probably wondering, how do I win? All you have to do is first, subscribe to my channel, second, like this video, and third, upload a photo of an origami design that you folded from one of my tutorials. You can upload your photos through this form here, and I'll post a link in the video description as well. And for an extra chance to win, follow me on Instagram at EZ_origami. And it's as easy as that. You'll have 3 weeks to enter, so I'll be accepting entries until April 18th. And I'll also be selling these t-shirts in my new Etsy shop for anyone else who would like to support this channel. So I'll post that link in the video description as well. So thank you all again for your incredible support. I really look forward to going through all of your photo submissions. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.